Hi peeps, quick little video today just to show you a nice little trick that I found. So on the XJ650 Turbo and many other Yamaha bikes from the 80s, there used to be, and there is, sorry, a battery health check level indicator. So these bikes originally had a lead acid battery to which you would plug in a little sensor that would be reading based on the resistance what's the level of fluid in the battery. So if the fluid would drop, you would get the warning light flashing on the dash, and you would have also the battery light popping up. So this would look something like this. Let me just start the engine. So as you can see, the warning light is flashing. And I've also got a battery light coming up, and that is because I've got a modern battery which doesn't have any way to which you wouldn't be able to plug the sensor. But there is a nice little trick to get rid of the warning light if you have a modern battery. Keep watching it. Now just give it a moment. There we go. Warning light comes off and the battery light comes off as well. Let me explain you what I did. Alright, so as you can see, this motorcycle has a modern battery, and you wouldn't be able to plug in your sensor into this battery. So because of that, you'll trigger this warning light and the battery light on the dash. What you need to do is you need to locate this wire, which is white and red, and that's basically the wire to which originally you had this Yamaha's battery sensor hooked up. So it would go from here, and then the sensor would just plug in into the battery. So you need to locate that. It will be somewhere over there. You need to put a 2 kilo ohm half a watt resistor between that wire and the battery positive. So that there is the original wire, the white and the red that used to have the sensor plugged into it. So I used this red wire to splice into it. Then from that red wire, as you can see, to that red wire I soldered the resistor, and then to the resistor I've soldered the other side, the other part of the red wire, which I'm now going to simply plug in to the battery positive, and that's going to sort the issue out. So let's have a look how it works. Okay, so all plugged in. Let's have a look how it works. And as you can see, no warning light and no battery check. Out.